Hello, today we're going to be doing problem number 3 for the physics alternative egg drop assignment for cohort C. Let's get started! So firstly, as you can see, we'll be writing the title down, which is problem number 3. We will be writing down what is also given so we can have an easier step-by-step process of finding out what we need. So first, we'll write down the mass, which is 15 kgs. We are also given the force of friction, which is 50 newtons. We were also given the distance, which is 40 meters. We were also given the work, which is 500 joules. And we were also given the B height, which is 5 meters. Along with that, we were also given the C height, which was 20 meters. We will now let the speed at B be v1 meters per second. And now we will also use a formula that we have to combine together. It will be mgh plus 500 equals F times D plus a half mv1 squared. We know that work is the energy transferred into or out of a system through the action of force. The mgh is also the gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is the energy that an object has due to its position in a gravitational field. If the object is lifted straight up at a steady speed, then the force required to lift it at the height is equal to its weight, which is mg. 8 times 25. 25 comes from adding the height of B and the height of C. Plus 500, which is the work, equals 2000 plus 7.5 times V1 squared. Now, after we have calculated this will give us the result of 17.04 meters per second, or significant digits, 17.0 meters per second. That is the speed at point B. Now, we want to find the speed at point C. We will also put this as v2 meters per second. And we also write down the given. So we were given the mass, 15 kgs, we were given the distance, which is 70 meters, and we were given the energy mass, which is 3,440 joules. We will now write down the equation where EM equals EK plus E friction. We will also then write down EM equals 0.5 plus mv squared plus F times the force of friction times distance. After that, we will then substitute those numbers so that we can find the end result, which gives us, we will substitute for EM, which is 3,440 joules, then EK is 0.5, mv squared is 15 times v squared, plus force of friction times distance, which is 50 times 70. Now, the end result gives us negative 560 equals 7.5 v squared. Usually, we would square root it to find the answer, but since it is a negative number, we cannot square root, which means the cart is not moving at point C, where there is no speed and the car has not reached point C. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.